Hello. This is me. Doing a couple things here before I put cams on and stuff. Last time, for some reason, my little Twitch chat widget doesn't pop up on its own. I have to remake it in OBS each time, which is pretty silly. So I'm just fixing that, and then we're gonna spin a wheel. Okay. I think I'll go ahead and start early. So I'm gonna pop my small cam on. Boom. Hi guys. So, couple quick things. I made a wheel. This is something I did at work actually, and I feel like it applies here. So this is going to be how I decide what I do first, and we'll go from there. Before I even do that though, I just had noticed that the chat widget is not on the starting soon screen. So I'm gonna just add that, and I think I might just make it way bigger on here. Because there's nothing else going on the screen, so it might as well be huge. And I think that's chill. There we go. Already made progress. So that's there, and then that's there. Cool. Done. Easy. Okay, so next up, we're gonna spin this dang wheel. Actually, I might wait just a minute, because it's technically not 8:10 when I said I would start. But, that being said, we'll see. I have some fun, exciting announcements and stuff today. This will be fun. I've noticed, I think I'm getting some... It's either just that YouTube Shorts are built different, or it's that I'm on winter break, but something pretty cool is happening. And that is something I'll be talking about in just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel. I think I'm ready, yeah. Bam! Cool. Add stream elements. That will be what we do first, and I think that is cool because it's easier. It will be accomplished sooner than the other things, faster. So one thing I was thinking of is seeing if I could add like a sub goal, but I don't know what the like reward would be. I feel like a lot of times when there's a sub goal, they have like something going on with the sub goal, like if you do this, we'll give you this, you know. So that being said, here's that dang stream whatever's thing. Oh, check out that. Boom. Subscriptions. That's cool. Oh, they're behind my head. Oh well. You can't really track a lot of the stuff that's happening here, but let's see. Increase your with Stream Elements chat bot. Do I want this? Activate. Cool, I did it. We don't take a cut, so tips are all yours. Set up your free tipping page and start earning money for... I don't think we're there yet, guys. Not gonna lie. Ooh, interesting. We're not gonna do this yet, but this could be a different thing. Chatbot, chat commands, next song. These are things that I don't need yet. I won't worry about that. 8-ball. Opens up the magic 8-ball to viewers' question. Wild. Banned words. That would be nice. Not gonna lie. Streaming tools. Elements. Overlays. Overlays gallery. Whoa, crap. I want to make a little sub goal thing. I feel like I can maybe do that on my own, but we'll see. Add a widget. Alerts, engagement, labels, subscribers, subscriber goal. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's a thing there. So this needs to be something like semi-realistic or it's going to be depressing, right? Um God, I don't know. It's we got like a week. Let's do some things here. So first, we're going to just say sub goal. Sub goal. We're going to do I think our goal needs to be much smaller than this. We're going to start with a 10 subscriber goal. You do a percentage, condensed. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's ugly. We'll do Ambit colors, I think. Can I color pick? No? Freaking making me mad. Okay. Fill color and background color. What do we want to do here? I really want to round those corners. That better be an option. Position, opacity, rotation. Dynamic font size. Well, we can do our Signica font at least. Cool. Size. It told us to go with 25 for all font size things, but I'm gonna do 30. Let's see. Bold, text shadow. Secondary. Again, Signica. Okay. Pretty chill. This is pretty simple looking, but I think it gets the job done, at least. I don't need the 0 to be there, though. I don't know. We'll call this sub goal. I would like this to look nicer, and I don't know how to do that. Settings. Preview. No. Let's do this for the 31st. Why not? 8 days. Maybe I'll do a yellow. A little XP bar. That's kind of cool. Chill. Let's just friggin' pop it in. Let's save that. Copy link. And then we'll add another browser. We'll call this sub goal. We'll just friggin' okay. 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 Whoosh. There it is. Ooh, maybe that's better. Then it's just right down there. Kind of nice and clean. Maybe. Again, I'm not too worried about like being super perfectionisty about anything because any of this could change at literally any time. I'm not too married to any specific things. That being said, though, I feel like that looks cool. Looks good to me. Boom. If only I had someone that could subscribe right now and we could figure out if this actually working. But that being said, we'll be done with that for now. And I guess we'll spin it again. I feel like we should just work on Ambit though. So hopefully okay, we just we're gonna have to abandon the wheel. We freaking did already. Anyways, I want to show you guys something. This is like nothing crazy to anything major, any one major. But what is this? Holy crap. I know it's a YouTube short, so it's sort of supposed to get more like views and crap. But like average percent viewed 70% is pretty great. For my content at least. These weird little flat lines are really interesting. It's like it stops recommending it entirely and then it just explodes up. I don't know what is going on with these like steps, but 9 subscribers from one video is crazy. I don't know. That's like, I don't know. I just don't expect that kind of thing. Ooh. Okay, that's not a great rate. That's it. Yeah, right? It's a ton. Like, for my channel, like, look at this. I literally got, like, 10 subscribers today. That's, like, a 5% channel growth in one day. I did make a TikTok, and it did substantially worse, actually. It went up to, like, 250 views, and it just flatlined. But it's crazy how effective. I mean, like, 10 subs in a day is, like, really crazy for me. So I don't know. That just got me excited. And so like, I've got Premiere open. I literally have already made another TikTok, and I have like ideas for more, or short, or whatever you want to call it. But like, I could totally keep going. And I don't know if it's just because they're shorts and they always get that many views, or if it's because we're on winter break. But like, that's pretty awesome. So yeah, this kind of thing is just unprecedented to me. And also clearly something is off, because this says 2.6k views and this says 1.2k views in the past month. So clearly one of these is either over like inflated, or one of them is like just weird. I don't know, but this is crazy for me and I'm pretty excited about that. This is kind of a mess. Yo, Flock and their viewers just did you just raid me? Is that how this works? Live redirect. Did I get it YouTube rated by Flock? No shot. I'm gonna straight up just check this out. Well, welcome in, Flock. I don't know. I got 4 viewers. That's great for like immediately starting off. 3 or 4 viewers. We're chill. We're chilling. Perhaps. I love that. I don't know how to do that yet, but I will. If I ever figure it out. I just added a sub goal bar to the like stream. Let me open the Twitch. I feel like I should be able to. The Twitch is way easier for me to open for some reason, but it's got like literally no traction, which is the funny thing. Sub goal at the bottom is fine. Oh, chat is pretty unreadable if there's a white background. Sometimes? It is kind of trippy. I need to get out of here. Okay, whatever. 8 viewers, holy crap. Guys, what is happening? Okay, I need to speed run the intro. This is Ambit. This is a game we're working on. GPU crashed. No. Guys, it's not what it looks like. We're fine. This is Ambit. It's a physics-based sailing game in Unreal Engine 5, and it's super cool, and it totally didn't just crash on me. Let's close both Unreals. Yikes. Send a restart. You can see we have an incredibly difficult sub goal here of 10 subscribers. So if you're interested, that's a pretty obtainable goal. You could be one of the few to participate in that sub goal. This is our master plan here, if you can't tell. Last time I was working on this sort of shop UI situation. We do have the UI built, actually. So this is good. Kind of. It doesn't close yet, but, like, who needs it to close? This is Ambit. And the game is freaking awesome. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to play some Ambit. So, immediately, you'll notice a whole world of beautiful, beautiful, simple magic. Some cool music going on. Some ships of all shapes and sizes. And, it's a cannon-based combat sailing game. It is pretty fun from someone that's played it a lot in its early stages. This basic physics-based cannon fighting is very fun. Right now, I added that there's slow-mo whenever you get a kill, or whenever anyone gets a kill right now, so that needs to get worked on. So if you're getting like a crazy fight and people are shooting you with all sorts of cannonballs and stuff, you could totally dodge that stuff. We have a custom little blueprint that populates the sky with clouds. This is a custom water shader and a custom cell shader. But of course it's full of bugs still. Like, there's a ship over here that is alive, although it's underwater. So, like, those are the sort of things that we're sort of working through. But in these streams, sometimes I'll be making music, sometimes I'll be making UI, sometimes I'll be working on the stream itself. All sorts of freaking crazy stuff. And then in the bottom left, which you cannot see right now, but if I moved myself, you would be able to see it. Oh, my freaking stream elements are all massive. If I hide that, you can see there's a little coin counter. I have just been notified that YouTube is slowing down. Let me know if that is accurate or not. I think I'm kind of overloading my computer a little bit here. But we're going to close Premiere and we're going to close Media Encoder because it's a bit much, I think, to be doing all of those at once. I'm going to open this. This is the latest TikTok that will go up. That'll be cool. We're going to hide that now. So, now is the planning phase. We need to figure out what exactly we're going to work on this time. Because we got sort of carried away making a shop UI element. I think we need to do the hard part, which is to actually code it to do stuff. So for example, right now, if you hit the play button, there's this beautiful shop button. Awesome. That's new, brand new shop button. If I click shop, there's this sort of scrolling menu of things you could buy. The idea is that it would look a little bit nicer with items sort of shrinking as they go to the sides, as if they're like rotating on like a sort of wheel. And so right now, the first thing I was trying to do is get some sort of little icon here that you'd be able to buy. Oh, my desktop audio is muted, so you guys couldn't hear the game at all. I'm gonna give you some of that, I think. Hold on. Maybe? Oh. Hold on. I have to pause my music. Let's try that. I want to make sure that that's quieter than me by a lot. But, so, again, all original music. Pretty cool. Pretty chill. And then there's this little buy thing. So I need to code this so that once you buy something, it actually does something, and code this so that once you buy something, you cannot buy it again. So just going off of the dome here, we're going to do some little code stuff. So the first thing is we need to be able to, once this button is clicked, you cannot click anymore. So button, grays after click. Also, we need to assign a value to this thing here. So this cannon firing speed thing, we need to make it worth a certain amount of money. And if you do not have that amount of money, you need to be able to not buy it. Or you need to not be able to buy it, I should say. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into that shop UI blueprint. Boom. And this is where we're going to start. Because first and foremost, I'm going to add a piece of text that says a cost. So this is going to be really ugly right now. But this is going to say costs. And then next to that, oh, what I should do, so I should do a horizontal box actually. Hold on. So if I put this here, and then I put this inside the horizontal box, I can put another text next to it, and then I can have this text be a number. So this will be like 0, whatever. But this is going to be assigned to a specific cost number, and that will be something we can set based on each thing. I'm also going to add some padding, as I figured out that that's what I need to do with some of these things. Wrong element. Hold on. Let's go to the 0 cost thing. Padding 20 on the left. Great. And then I'll do friggin', I don't know, 50 on this one. That way it's sort of in the middle. Let's do 80. Sure, that's great. That's kind of ugly, but that's fine. And then on the bottom I'll do 20. Nope. Again, wrong thing. Let's see, horizontal box padding. Bottom 20. So, beautiful. Now we have something that's going to tell us the cost. Right now, I'm going to say this will cost 3 gold. So I need to make, when this button is pressed, let's go, on clicked, boom, beautiful. On clicked, we need to do a couple things. So again, I'm going to bring up the Microsoft Paint because this is how I sort of plan out code. On clicked, we want to check player gold. Player gold. And then we want to say if equal to cost equal or greater. That's not how that works, but whatever. Buy. If not, nothing. So immediately, just by sort of spelling that out, that is so much easier for me to sort of figure out what I need to do. Because, so one, I need to, let's see, I need to get my save data situation. So I'm going to load game from slot. That's going to be save data. And then we are going to say cast to save data. I think that may or may not be redundant, but we'll see in a second if I compile this and it gives me a note. Nope, we're good. We're going to say get player gold. And then, beautiful. That is exactly what I wanted. We're going to say check the player gold. And then we're going to say if, hold on, greater equal. Boom. Oh, this is going to be a branch. Branch, like trolls. Branch from trolls. So if player gold is greater or equal to cost, which we now need to actually turn into a variable, which I think I can just do. So this is going to be create binding. Let's try cost. We'll call this specifically fire rate upgrade, and I'll make this an integer. This might be something I want to set somewhere else in the future. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll get that and I'll do that, and it's going to convert it to text. And then now I can set this cost to be, for example, 3. So default value is going to be 3, compile save. We can tell if that worked immediately because we can go and hit play, and we can look at our shop, and this should say 3. Beautiful. So we know that's working. Now we can just go back into our event graph, and now we can grab cost, fire rate, upgrade. Boom! Beautiful. So if this is true, that's what branch is saying, is true or false. If this is true or false, if player gold is greater than or equal to than the cost, then we're going to do something. The false can be just nothing, because nothing should happen. So then, now we need to go back to our Microsoft Paint, because that is where we ended our little notes here. So we've checked the cost. We've checked that sort of if allow statement. Now we need to actually enable something, which is kind of interesting. So I've never added this kind of upgrade to a game. We did have upgrades in Rat Rumble, but that was Aiden's job, not mine. But what I'm thinking is inside the... I think there's a couple ways to do it. Inside the save data situation, I could just have variables for every single upgrade. They could just be true or false, and they're all set to false until I set one to true, and then if it's set to true, it does something in the other code. And the reason I say that I want to do that is because then I can constantly be checking which upgrades the player has. So I think I need to at least do that for that sake. So now we're going to go into our save data blueprint, and we are going to add blueprints, save data. Where did I put that? This is the part that gets oh, it literally says save data. Okay, now we're gonna add one called fire rate upgrade, and that's just gonna be a boolean, and we're gonna say compile fire rate upgrade should be set to false. Beautiful. Now all we have to do, get fire rate upgrade, and we're going to set... No, we don't want to get fire rate upgrade. We want to set. We want to set fire rate upgrade, plug that into true, and we're going to plug this into true. And then, in theory, that will change that value. And the last thing we need to do is we only want this to be able to be clicked once. After this has happened, we want to make the button, whichever button this is named, no longer pressable. Clearly this is button number 3. So we're going to see if we can't get this in some way and set a special sort of situation here. Set click method, press method, Ooh, there's a lot in here. Button appearance, curve data. This is where I start to slow down. Set. What is this? Click method. Okay, that's not what I want, clearly. Set touch metal, press metal, click style. Crap, I'm wondering if I might be getting dead-ended here because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's check out the button 3. We're gonna flatten style, color, background, interaction. Is focusable, down and up, accessibility. Behavior, visible, render. Oh, how to disable. I wonder if I can disable. That's the word I was looking for. Disable? No. I actually saw, I feel like in style, there's, oh, it literally says disabled. So there should be a way to disable a button. You'd think it would be the button. The word disable would have some sort of I don't know, weight in the code here. Let's see, disable. Button able. Crap. Okay, we got too slow. We're finally gonna look something up. How to disable button in UE5. How to disable buttons without hiding them. Set enabled node. It's always so much easier than it should be. Friggin' set is enabled false, I guess, would be fine. And then this needs to save after the game is ended, though. Ooh. God dang it. Hold on. We're just going to see if this works for now. I'm going to waste 3 gold. Bye. Okay, it did disable. It didn't subtract gold, though, which is actually good for testing right now. So now I can't click this again, but I do believe that when I go back in, I can click it again. So I need to figure out a way to check based on save data. So, like, if fire rate upgrade is true, so we actually might have to go back over here. This might be perfect. Can I flip-flop this? If this is true, in is enabled, but I want it to be the opposite. You know what I mean? 17 views total is crazy, actually. Appreciate y'all. I'm going to try flip. No. Reverse. Nope. Set is enabled. Let's see. I could promote this to a variable, I guess. I don't think I need to, though. I think I could just... Let's try it. Hold on. Promote to a variable. Fire rate upgrade. And what we'll do there is we'll set fire rate upgrade from here to be disabled. Right. I don't think that's going to help yet at all. Oh, but this is from this, right? So if this is equal to... Ah, crap. Hold on. I can do... God, I'm overcomplicating this for sure. Branch. So if this is true, then this should be set to false. Right. And if this is false, this should be set to true. Stupid, but I think that's right. Let's freaking... Oh, Jesus. Target. Button 3. Fire rate upgrade. Oh, that's this guy. Wait. Huh? I made the wrong set fire rate. I named them the exact same thing. I'm stupid. Set fire rate upgrade. Defaults. Friggin' weird. Why did I get that wrong? If this is true, if this is checked, this should be unchecked. And then if this is not checked, this should be checked. And then frickin' that's fine, probably. Compile, save. Okay, let's try that out. I don't know what I just did, but okay. I'm buying it. I'm gonna stop playing. Now I'm gonna play it again, and I can still buy it. So I clearly didn't do that right. Because I need to save. I need to save the load data. Hey, no one's subscribed yet. Make sure you're freaking subscribed. I want to see if the sub goal works. That's literally why. I think actually the weird thing though is I think the sub goal only works if people sub during the stream, which is kind of dumb. But no one subbed, so get on that, fools. Get someone in here to test this for me. Okay. So we need to save data. Save game to slot. Boom. Freaking duh. We're gonna just take this fool, slap that there, compile and save. And I have a hunch that this is gonna work now. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna stop playing. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna shop, and it's still buyable. Okay. Let's look at our code. So, when I click this button, well, this is stupid. This is just dumb. Load game from slot. Cast it. If the player gold is greater or equal to the cost of fire rate upgrade, which is 3, which is correct. All this is working great. Then we're going to do this. If else, do nothing. Set fire rate upgrade to be true. This is in the whatever thingy. So this is the save data's one. So that's this guy. And then, if this is true, set this to be disabled. And if this is false, set it to be enabled. And then save game to slot. Let me just put save data right there and see if that changes anything. And then we'll review the code we did last time for the other thing we saved. So I bought it, I close, I play, I go in. Yep, okay. So let's go into our player blueprint. Boats. Let's see. Boat parent. Let's go into the kill thingy. Damage, kill boat. Because over here, it saves it right there. It's the same thing. Set something and then save it. Load game from slot. Load, set, save. That looks the same, right? Load game from slot. Save data. Save data. Cast to save data. Cast to save data. Set this thing. And then save game to slot. And that slot button is connected to that too. Yeah, on this one it is. Weird. Hello. Random ominous hello. Freaking what is happening? Why is it resetting? Am I right? Yeah. Oh. I know. Pick me. It's because it's only doing this when I click the button. I need to do this when it's constructed. Friggin' what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Ah! Yeah. I think I'm on to something, sort of. Except I don't want to do this part. I just want to do everything else. Bam! So hold on. Bear with me here. We're gonna take this out because we're not doing that right now. All we're doing is we're setting these things, right? Wait. I don't even want to set this right now. What? It's just setting it to true every time. Epic Gamer 3257 says, "Yo, keep it up, Bwoski." Thanks, dude. If you want, you could try to subscribe and see if my sub goal counter actually works or not. Up to you, though. I need to get, not set. Get fire rate upgrade, and then just plug that into there. Let's try that. I have a semi good feeling about that. Total 19 views is awesome. Hey, there we go. So now the button actually works. I can. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't unsub ever. What even are those? Are those goats? That's kind of sick. I got like 5 different things over here. I got Sodi. I'm literally the best YouTuber ever. Who is this? I must know you from something. You must be someone I know. I'm literally the best YouTuber ever. Okay, bud. I mean, sure. Point being, we have the shop thing working. Now I just need to actually code it to do something on the player side, which is scary because, again, Aiden freaking built that part, and I have no idea how that's working right now. I'm worried that if I try to do it, it's gonna make the ships, all of the ships, inquispued. Also, this looks friggin' ugly right now, and it pisses me off. But I also don't have the time to like, oh, what the my Twitch chat got a message. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, views, chatbots, etc. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. I can actually show this to you guys. I'm truthing here. Flexible and convenient order management panel, chat panel, everything is in your hands. Turn it on, off, customize. Go to streamrise.com. Literally. Hey man, if you sub, maybe. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I'm never doing that. Epic Gamer. I code with a Swiss scratch. What? What? Okay. Is it supposed to tell me something? Literally the best game ever? Do I know you or not? Are you just some random person? Or do I know? What is happening? I need to do the actual part where I make the event. I need to make the thing. You know how the upgrade is supposed to upgrade you? Kind of need to do something with that now. I know this is not a good scalable way, by the way, because if I do upgrades like this, every single time I add an upgrade, it's going to have to check a new Boolean thing, and it'll be like a freaking mess. But this is the kind of thing that, like, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, probably. Combat. Fire cannon input. Shoot, then stop and reset any charge on cannon. Okay. Time left shoot. What? What? Fire rate. That seems useful. How do I make it just be the player, though? It tells you that I am an epic gamer. Okay. I mean, okay. I'm worried that you're like one of my students or something, and that would freak me out. Wait a best. Guys, if my students find my stream before I have like, I don't know, I'm not ready for that. If I have like a few hundreds viewers or something, that would be way cooler. But if I have students find me when I'm in my 5 concurrence era, I don't know how I feel about that. 5 is awesome though. I mean, I used to be streaming to 1. That's like pretty consistently getting bigger. So this is awesome. Where do we? If Puya? Boolean if Puya fire rate equals new thing. You're not. You're not. You're friggin' not. Oh. I'm having an existential crisis right now. 6. It's 7. What are you guys talking about? Wait, what are you... Oh, 7 viewers? 6 or 7? Jesus. Okay, we're popping off. Subscribe. God dang it. Who are you? If you're not subscribed, you better subscribe. I need to see if that stupid sub goal bar actually works or not. Okay? I want to see the yellow go... Boom. Boom, boom. Here's what I think I'm going to do. Here's what I think I'm going to do. Here's what I think I'm going to do. What do we wear? If Puya and if upgrade check set file weight to where do we be? But if fire rate, I make can I? No, Aiden's not gonna be awake. Oh God, guys, I'm not ready for this. I make bow blocks in Fortnite. Yeah, who are you? You're trolling. You don't make Fortnite and Roblox games. Show me one of your games. Epic Gamer 3. What is like generic freaking name? This is... Okay. 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 Bowblocks is crazy. Where do we Bowblocks? No. I'm making YouTube content. Oh my God. Why are you so angry? Should I go on here and find you? Freaking, what is happening? Epic Gamer 3257. This is epic. Okay, you're definitely not one of my students. A little bit too young. But I appreciate that you're here. Welcome in. Okay. I don't know how to respond to what I just saw. Player dingy. This is what I want to do. Where do we into Puya dingy? I need to set some things. Son of a one of a. No, nothing is set in the player except the stupid. Okay. I think I can just try. I told you that I was the best YouTuber ever. You're kind of... I think you might be right. I'm worried you're going to take all of my views. Oh my God, I clicked on the emoji button and I accidentally blocked my entire chat. I need to reopen chat now. Doc. YouTube chat. We're good now. Okay, here's what I think we're going to do. I think we're going to load game from slot. We're going to say save data. We're going to say cast to save game data. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to say get upgrade, fire rate upgrade. And here's where we're going to go next. We're going to cast to, wait, I don't think I need to go to boat parent pawn because I'm already from boat parent pawn, right? Because this is a, what if I just say get fire rate? No. Cast to boat pawn parent. God, this is a nightmare of words. What is this? Can I do this? Other actor? What is this? Hold on. No. I don't think I can use that. Parent. Oh, maybe I can do parent. Hold on. Get parent. Return value? That's not what I want at all. Parent. Let's try these again. Sequence frame. Constraint. Okay. Epic Emma's out. Good day. See ya, dude. Literally, what is happening? Cast to parent. Ugh. We're gonna just try a couple things. Cast to boat parent pawn. Get fire rate. No, but this is upgrades crew. Upgrades? Upgrades? Upgrades crew. Upgrades crew. What? How am I supposed to upgrade this to just myself? Because I know that if I just do it in here, it's gonna upgrade to everyone. I need to like comb through this, and it makes me mad. You understand? Fire cannons, launch boat, opposite direction. We're already here, right? No, we're... Oh my god. This is an entirely different... Set. Power. Shot power multi... Ooh. Cool. Recoil. There's a bunch of juicy stuff in here. Start charge. Release charge. Okay. Combat extras. Hey, my particles are not extras. That's rude. Set up upgrades? Oh my god. He's freaking like... he said, let me just set this up for you. You gave me a empty freaking custom event. Oh, one other thing I was gonna do. How do I make my camera, like, zoomed in? Can I scale and crop my camera? Is that what I need to do? Whoa. Oh, that's gotta be the worst thing for you guys to see right now. How do I crop this fool? Hold on. I'm gonna just give you the OBS view. This is gonna break your freaking little minds. What is he looking at over here? Filters, properties, transitions. I don't want to transition. I want to transforms. Crop. I know crop isn't a transform technically, but like, you would think. Add? No. Transform order. Filter? No. Crop / pad? Okay. Freaking... Oh, Jesus Christ. Ooh, getting cinematic over here. This is getting much more close and comfy with you guys, huh? Friggin' huge upgrade, actually, right? Because then I'm actually in the freaking camera. Hold on. We're gonna keep cropping closer. I feel like that's way better, right? Obviously, I'm gonna make myself smaller again, but like... Can I... Oh, am I gonna have to mess with my frame? It's good enough. Chill. I got bigger, guys. Widowy Epigamas gone. Set up upgrades. I should really reach out to him and see how he would have done this. Because maybe I can do tag. Get all actors with tag. Set fire rate or something like that. Split. No. Array. Set array element. Oh, Jesus. I really don't want to do that, actually. Shuffle, swap. Whatever. Player. Hold on. Tag. I feel like we're onto something here. Get all actors of class with tag. Is that different? No. Out. What do I do with this? I feel like I do set array element, but then I want like something else, you know? Get array. Get actor of class. Get all actors of class with tag. Get all actors with tag. See, this feels great, right? Or like, if, no. Tag. Oh, we're somewhere close, guys. I feel it. I smell it. More ducks. Thanks for the ducks. Set tags. Remove gameplay tag. Weird. Sometimes I see something move on my other screen and nothing moved. What do I do with the array here? Do I promote this to a variable? And does it have this in it somewhere? Why is this hard? Why is my job hard? Promote to variable. Let's just try. No, it's the same freaking thing. Let's not do that. Set array element. Add items, remove items. What is items? Set a parameter? What the frick? No. Index array elements. These are actors. I want to set this thing for this thing. I want to say give this actor this. Okay. It's funny, like, just looking stuff up is literally the fastest way to get answers, but it just feels weird to do it on stream. I see some cool blue ducks, but it didn't appear in the chat thing there, which is weird. We're going to look up how to assign variables based on actors with tags. How to get variables from tag. That should be close enough, right? You don't need to cast to every bullet type. Make a. You can just cast to the parent and still access the child data. You wouldn't even need it. Hi, welcome in. And Mbana. I'm gonna plug this immediately, like I did with everyone else. If you want to go ahead and sub right now, we can see if the sub goal meter actually works or not. up to you, though. No pressure. So, parents with child classes are the way to go in Blueprints. So why... What are you trying to do? I just joined. So I am trying to add upgrades. So I just added my first sort of little upgrade situation here in the shop. Hey, you subbed? I guess we'll see if the bar works or not. I'll keep an eye on it, dude. That means a lot. So I am making this awesome physics-based sailing game. I'm passionate about it. And I have... Oh, crap. I have compile errors. We're going to see if we can ignore them or not. But if I go to the shop, I have made a purchasable thing. And what I want to do is make that impact the firing rate of specific things. So specifically the player class. But I'm just having a little bit of a hard time because I guess I don't know how to reference the parent from the child actor, which sounds, maybe I shouldn't say child actor, but clearly I don't know how to do that correctly. Someone on the internet, though, did the same thing. They say, make a parent blueprint with the thing, and then make the child. You can cast to the parent and still access the child data. You also wouldn't even need to make a tag, since the actor is not the child of the parent. Okay. Ooh. Oh, show inherited value. Is that what I'm missing? Hold on. That is huge. Okay, hold on. Freaking set fire rate. Yes. Hold on, I can delete whatever I was just working on. This can all go away. This is huge. So, okay, I'm gonna get upgrade, and I'm gonna say branch, and I'm gonna say we're gonna take a look at our default right now. Fire rate is currently a number. Wait, why is that not showing up? Oh, there we go. Fire rate is 1. I'm gonna say let's set it to friggin' 3 so we can see if it actually works or not. So if this is true, then it's going to give us this, and if it's false, it's going to do nothing. I think that could be a really, and I know it's like not super scalable, but if this works, this is a great proof of concept that I can bludgeon things together with a big hammer. Yeah, you fixed it, dude. You literally just fixed the entire game, actually. By inspiring me to try harder. So that being said, I need to double check that fire rate upgrade becomes true instead of... No, I think it does. I think I know it does. I'm going to save all, and we're going to play the game and see... Oh, yeah! We did it! We added... He says, nice, no problem. Yep, it's all because of you. Freaking huge upgrade. It's kind of a little bit overpowered. This seems a little bit more than 3 times, but kind of huge. Hold on, I gotta full screen this. It seems like it's letting me do it just about as fast as I want to, which is a little bit concerning. Like, that's a little bit more than 3 times. That being said, though, let's see if I can't sink this fool. Oh, we went into slow-mo. Someone got murked. Hold on. Freaking... Oh, he died. I am missing one thing. I don't know if any of you guys caught it yet, but if I move myself, that number, 7, didn't decrease when we bought the thing. So we aren't actually losing money when we buy things yet. So we need to make sure that that happens. This fool's gonna get killed so I can get an extra coin. Let's see if that was it. Yay! 8 coins. Okay. Yes! Oh my god. Imbonawal? I hope I'm saying that right. Yeah, you pretty much saved everything. I don't think the sub-goal thing moved yet, which is kind of disheartening. So maybe it's just super delayed. But then if it is, what's the freaking point of having it? because the whole thing is like you get to see your sub goals and crap. Set a goal. Is there a? It doesn't even say there's a delay. Like on the chat, it actually tells me there's a delay. I'm gonna hit save and see if it changed anything. Oh crap, we gained 2 subs. We're crushing it, guys. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I'm having too much fun with this. I'm gonna have to go back to my real job in like a week, and it's gonna be freaking miserable. Yeah, it's still in 2. Yeah, I don't know why. I just hit save, so we'll see. I wonder if you have to specifically subscribe from inside the stream or something for it to register. I don't know. I appreciate the sub though. It seriously means a lot. Okay. We did get an upgrade working, and I'm actually really excited about that. Now I need to go back here, and I need to make sure that in the shop code, we need to subtract 3 gold. So immediately, we're going to just slide this to the side, and we're going to get this guy again. We're going to set player gold, and we're going to do a subtract node. So we're going to get it one more time. We're going to do subtract. This should just be 3, so we're going to plug that there. And we say, oh, perfect. I can just put the cost here. So it's saying player gold minus cost turns it to the new player gold. Actually brilliant. So I'll plug that in there, and I'll plug that in there, and then sets that as the new player gold value. The only thing is that's setting the like save data variable, and that's not technically setting the other thing, so I don't think we'll see it right now. I also need to think really hard about how do I reset the upgrade. I guess I could just say set. I could just say, oh, I could just unplug this. Compile and save. And then if I play this, let's check that out. So if I go shop and buy, oh, beautiful. Awesome. It immediately did it. And then if I stop playing and I play again, I'm still at 5. This is not working though because I just unplugged it. Oh my god, that's so simple. I'm shocked at how smooth that's working right now. So I've reduced the fire rate to now 1.5. I want to see if that's reasonable at all. Still kind of a lot from where it usually is. I'm going to bring it to like 1.3, no, 1.25 even. Because this is a pretty cheap upgrade right now. The like 3 times upgrade though is kind of much more entertaining. Let me go to like 5. Let's see what this absolute stupidity looks like. It's literally going as fast as it can. This is in slow-mo, I think. Or no, I'm just literally like slowing the game down so much because I'm spawning in hundreds of projectiles. I'm gonna just incinerate these fools. Oh my god. Welcome in, new peoples. Oh, the circle thing did move. It's at 3 now, right? It looks like it's at 3. That looks like a 3, right? Hold on, I'm gonna make that full big. Nope, that's the whole everything else. Sub goal. Yeah, it went to 3. We did it, guys. We gained a sub. We did it. We swanky-unk. I thought I fixed that. I'm pretty sure I had fixed that. Okay, that's going to be the next thing. We kind of did what we set out to today, actually, already, which is amazing. We actually have an upgrade in this game, and that's so freaking fun. I can do all this other stuff, too, now, and it's going to be so exciting. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. This is so fun. This is so cool. And the sub-goal thing works, kind of. Okay, we're going to save all. We are going to go into some bug fixing. I think now that we have something working, I think it's fair to go make something else work better. So for example, the player kill whatever, this guy, kill boat situation. Oh, I should really go into all my other code and comment it out. So I did this with my other code so that it's nice and readable. You can sort of tell what's going on here. I need to do the pop out text, show bubbles. That makes it so you can read them from afar. So I'm going to click on that guy. I'm going to go show bubble. I'll click on this guy, show bubble. Okay. So I was fairly certain that I had said once one of these happens, you cannot do the other. So let's check. If game is ended, right, is what I had put in here. So, delay. Gotta go, but in our game. Okay. Yeah, dude. Thanks for coming in. I'll try to be streaming on Thursdays every week, but also I'll let you know if I ever stream other times. If you want to join the Discord, you'll get notifications on when I stream next. But yeah, awesome. Friggin' funny. Game ended. Where is this being set? Right here. Games ended, set. Game ended, set. So it should be saying, if game is ended, then this shouldn't be happening. Oh, the issue is that I didn't add that condition to the win condition. So all I need to do is, wait, why is this going? Oh. It is happening down here. Win condition. If game ended is true, then it's doing nothing. And if game ended is true, then it's doing nothing. And game ended is being set. That's really weird. I don't know how. That is a bug that I don't understand right now. And you know what? Sometimes I'm okay with not understanding things because that's not going to be a fun thing for you guys to watch me try to fix right now anyways. I'm going to throw a little comment into this and say comment saves player gold. No. Gives 1 gold and saves gold value at game end. Beautiful. So really quickly, I definitely didn't check that, I guess. We're going to go back into the shop, and we're going to make this look a little prettier. I think we should make this into a function, because we're doing it, well, we'll see. We'll see. So this right now is essentially, how should I put this? Checks which upgrades are already purchased and disables them. Seems simple enough. Done. And then this. Oh, let me name my buttons. I'm so goofy over here. Let's say fire rate button. Boom. We'll call this whole box maybe fire rate upgrade. And we'll call this, which could definitely use its own upgrade, fire rate image. Chill. Compile save. It's going to just help make things a little bit cleaner. We can call this shop title text. Now if we go back into the shop graph here, let's comment this a little bit. So one big one says fire rate upgrade button. So, and the reason this is important is, in theory, I literally will forget how I did this tomorrow, and I'm going to need to know exactly what this says or does, and it's a lot easier to just read that it says it does it right there instead of actually reading every node. So if I see, oh, fire rate upgrade, okay, that's what I'm looking for, then I can just do that instead of like having a whole issue with it, because that happens a lot. I like literally the last stream I was looking at code and I did not know what I was looking at, even though I made it the day beforehand. So that being said, this is setting the, I think I want to do that over here actually. So this disables button and adds and saves. Upgrade. Beautiful. We'll make this a specific color. Oh, we're terrified because it's not letting me click on it. There we go. The end here will be a beautiful little purple each time. Disables button and upgrades. Validates exchange, maybe. I don't know. Checks player money against upgrade cost. Spends money. Enables upgrade. Okay, and then I'm just going to slide that right there. And again, you know, it doesn't look amazing. It's still code and it's still kind of a mess sometimes, but that's just going to help it keep things a little bit cleaner. And maybe this will be a little bluish. And this, whenever I have something at the like event begin or pre-construct or whatever, those typically end up green, just because it's like that's happening at the very beginning and it's very important. I am noticing that those bubbles are a little bit annoying, so I'm actually going to remove these ones. And I can just read those if I need to and just zoom in. Cool. Awesome. This stream has gone really well. I'm down to 2 viewers though. It was a little saddening. It's only freaking 9:30 though, so I could do this for a lot longer, or I could play some games with some friends. I'm not really sure. And as goofy as it sounds, I'm kind of against streaming me playing games because I want to keep my content really explicitly specific. Hey, 2:30. This is awesome. That, I swear, guys, that freaking short that I posted, or maybe that and the streams, my freaking, my channel is like thriving. Like, I don't know how to explain it. A couple days ago I was at like 210, you know, and it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's like 10% growth for me. That's huge. So that's really awesome. And it's getting me excited to work on stuff and keep going. Because for a long time I was just making kind of subpar videos and just upset that it wasn't getting me anywhere. But now I've switched to doing like streams where I get to work on stuff and doing shorts, and I think that's working really well for my channel. Hi, welcome in. I'm going to do the pitch one more time. This is Ambit. This is a game I'm working on. It's a little physics-based sailing / pirate game in Unreal Engine. And there's a shop feature that I've been working on that works currently. Oh, I need to make an exit button for the shop. But freaking cool shop feature, credits, settings, whatever, all that kind of works. But the charming part is this game. It's gorgeous. All of these assets are handmade by yours truly, including the music, actually. The slow-mo is fun because you can sort of try to dodge or fire at cannons coming at you. And I don't know, there's something really charming about having these massive open waters sort of ship fights, to me at least. Also, if you charge your cannon just enough for one of those white flashes, you'll see it right there, you get an extra strong cannonball. Of course, we've got some issues though. Again, like I've mentioned in the past, there's some bugs. There's definitely some ships that are sitting on the ocean floor right now, but are still alive. I think I can see one right there. Let me try this. There he is. You can see it right there. What I think I need to do is maybe the next thing I should work on is the ocean floor should kill, right? Like if you hit the ocean floor, you should be done for. So maybe that's the next thing I do. I also find it hilarious how like my stream on Twitch seems to be doing absolutely nothing. Like I just don't get views over here, and I think it's probably because I haven't set anything up over here compared to YouTube. But I find it kind of amusing because I have both chats next to each other in OBS, and like one of them things happens and one of them nothing happens in it. Okay, so let me oh, you know what? Aiden's gonna have a fit too, because most of these things I should have turned into like functions probably, or custom events or whatever, or events, functions, same thing. But I haven't. We'll see. Let's see. I'll comment this out sort of briefly though. Just say checks for and applies. Applies? That looks weird. Purchased upgrades. Hey, welcome back. Guess who is whack again? Epic Gamer 3257 tells a friend. You're killing it, dude. Okay. This is huge. I'm very happy with the progress. Epic Gamer, in case you didn't realize it, or you weren't here for it, we finished that upgrade. It actually works now. So you can buy a fire rate upgrade in our game now. And it's sick, and it's cool. So that being said, I need to fix some bugs or something. Because right now, the ocean floor is a spot where ships just sort of hang out. And I don't think that that should be the case. I also don't know a great way of checking that without it being, like, intensive, you know? Like, if actor is touching this actor. I'm putting that on the quote book. That's, or like somewhere. That should be on my wall. You look like Mark Zuckerberg when he was first making Facebook. I'm taking a screenshot of this chat. I love that. You look white. Mark Zuckerberg when he was first making Facebook. Beautiful. What? I can't tell if you're actually a child or if you're pretending to be a child, but I'm very entertained. Hey, someone just joined the friggin' thing. Who is this? G dot 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 dot. Welcome. Someone just joined the Discord as soon as I posted that. Okay. So we need to do something in the boat pond parent that kills boat, or at least does damage, right? You... I'm 12 years old. So, you're definitely doing the typing thing on purpose, though. I can tell. 12 years old. In 2 years, you could be my student, I guess. That's weird. I still... For those of you that don't know, I am a high school teacher. For real, no joke. And it's friggin' weird. I teach animation and game design to high schoolers, which is friggin' cool, but it's like, I don't know, it's bizarre. Like, no, I'm spelling it right. I think your English teacher would strongly disagree, bud. But you know what? For our purposes here, I love it. You spell it like that for the end of time. Welcome in, additional viewer. Glad to have you. Again, ooh, boat game. Ooh, boat game. Hey, look, boat game. Whoa. All right, now you have to watch me do the boring Cody stuff. What I could do. Will you be my... How are you real? You have to be like a friend trolling me or something. I already looked you up and you have... I only script Wobux Studios. Bobox. I don't know, dude. Maybe. If you're passionate about it. I think that's the thing I care about the most. Like, if I wasn't passionate about this, I wouldn't be doing it. I'm not necessarily the best artist or anything like that, but I'm very, very passionate about that. All of this. Like, it's real. So that is why I'm doing it. So if you're passionate about making games, for real, just keep doing it, dude. And who knows, maybe they'll hire you on, and you'll be my protege. That being said, I need to make I need to make it so that when a boat touches the ground, it deals damage. But yeah, why not? Overlap, right? Event actor begin overlap. This should be in here. This feels right. Other actor. That's where it gets tricky. Do I need to make this ocean floor into an actor? I guess so. And I think that makes sense. Let's do that. Let's make an environment actor. Blueprint. Environment. Really quick. Blueprint class. Actor. Man, I need some music. Should I play my own music? It feels like such a pretentious like question, but like I don't know what else to do here. Cause then at least you guys get music too, right? I'm gonna play this one. Does the media player? Is there a different app for this stuff? Whatever. I just like the silence kills me. Me gonna go learn how to script for 12 hours straight. Hold on. Okay, dude. That's cool. What are you learning how to script in, if I may ask? Ocean floor. Cool thing about making an actor for this is maybe we could in the future have the ocean floor get populated with random like coral and crap. Do like a random meshes populated on random points based on something. I don't know. That could be fun. Add plane. Done. Let me check if this one is just scaled. That will make it really nice. It's about 1,000 by 1,000. He has no idea. Are you... I don't know, dude. You're entertaining me like crazy. It's like I'm supposed to be the entertaining one because I'm streaming, but you've got me beat by a mile. Let's see. What color is this? Orangey? That is another thing. I really butchered the the like naming conventions on this file, on this whole thing. Okay. We're going to place ocean floor right here. And we're going to look up plane. And we're going to get rid of it. And now this is ocean floor. Wait, there's a second one? What is this? Ocean plane. It's even deeper, too. Is it okay if I get rid of that? I don't know. Does this work the same? Will I still float? Oh, Jesus. That guy just fell off the... Why did he fall? Where'd he go? I'm fine. What the f... We're gonna do is simulate. God dang it. Oh, that guy's just dying immediately. Two of these guys are just falling to the ground. Do I need to raise them? What the f... That's crazy. I don't know. Maybe I just delete these guys. So multiplayer is... I would love to actually talk about that. Because we really want to make everything multiplayer. I think everyone always wants to make everything multiplayer. Because, like, playing games with your friends is objectively one of the most important ways to make a game fun. But it's also extremely complicated. You know, Roblox and Fortnite and things where there's like a built-in system for it makes it a little bit easier. But when you're making something from scratch, you sort of have to code in a really sort of big system for that. You know, everything needs to be able to constantly communicate and update each other. So like, you know, in a single player game, I'm saving, for example, this little fire rate upgrade in a player, right? But if I made a multiplayer game, I need multiple players to be saved, and I need to save all of that information, and it needs to constantly get updated back and forth. Instead of just being, you know, saved on a computer, that computer, it has to be talking to every other computer that's playing constantly. And we would need a server. Like, we would literally need a dedicated computer somewhere in one of our houses to just run this stuff forever, or we would need to buy it from, like, a software or, like, a subscription or something service somewhere else. So multiplayer is tricky, but also I would love to. Like, I think it's far down the list of things that I'm planning on doing right now, but I really would like it. It would definitely make it more fun, and it's also like an interesting challenge. With one of our other games, we were working on making a global scoreboard. Used to make 2 VR games with Unity multiplayer. Yeah, that makes sense. So like, you know, we're dipping our freaking toes in, if you will. Like, we're making small things, like, so a scoreboard, for example, that is way simpler. Because, for example, if I make a global scoreboard, then it still is a little system that has to go out to that third point, like some fancy server, and say, player 1 just got a new score, player 2 got a new score, and then it updates that to each person. But it's a really simple thing, and it just updates, you know, maybe at the beginning of the game, rather than constantly needing to be connected and updating things. And so we're taking small steps like that to learn how to use things that rely on servers, without trying to dive straight in. Also, oh my god, I need to fix these materials, because at some point in our development, a bunch of our materials just went missing, and I don't know why. I'm gonna do the dark red. That's cool looking. I really don't know what happened to them, but we're gonna make them all pretty now. I don't know what that second material went to, but I'm sure it was a good cause. Gray, gray, and then same with this one, gray, and gray. Cool. Again, I'm going to save all. That's cool. Yeah. So, like, multiplayer is something we want to get to. But also, saw someone last year and they was dressed as Rudolph. I think they were the real one. Okay, dude. They might have been. I don't know. And they were smashing places' windows. I'm getting trolled so hard. I don't know who you are, but I appreciate it. What is happening? Yeah. We're working towards multiplayer, but unless my other two dev friends can get back from their like indefinite world travel trips, which they're just doing right now, I guess it's gonna be a while until we get there. Because right now I'm a solo dev, which is kind of crazy. Never thought I would be doing solo dev stuff, but here we are. But that's okay. That means I get to learn way more, and that is cool. You're the best at gaming. See, this kind of response is what makes me feel like, oh, but you have the friggin' Roblox and stuff on your... I don't know, dude. This is wild. I need to make a, like, going on break screen. Because sometimes I need to go on a break. Okay. We're gonna check the analytics again because we are obsessed. And it's to a pretty horrible degree. 31. Crazy. You know, I don't even know how to respond to this. You just keep getting subscribers, and it's very exciting. I don't know. It's just wild. Just friggin' wild. It's funny, I was watching, like, Pirate Software. He went from, like, 17K to, like, 1 million. That's what this feels like for me. Going from, like, 210 to, like, 230 in, like, a day is, like, pretty wild for me. Okay. I played one song and then I forgot. No. Let's do Ambit. It starts too quiet. It gets louder, but it starts so quiet. Okay. I need to test if ships will continue to fall off the planet or whatever. I think we're good. Oh, it's playing at double because I had it twice. Stupid. I'm friggin' losing my mind. I'm tired. It's only like 9:30 still, and I'm like going crazy a little bit. What is that? Another... No, it's the same YouTube screen. Okay. I keep getting notifications about subscriptions, and it's just blowing my mind. Okay. Other actor. Did I even name it Ocean Floor? Good. Why do I have to cast it? What is that about? Tries to access object as a blueprint class. Let's just see if this is even doing anything at all. Print, string, touching. I guarantee this cast is not going to work, though. Cast failed. Cast failed, cast failed, cast failed, cast failed. What is this guy doing? Hey guys, guess what? Cast failed. Can I click on this and then do this and then right click? No. It'd be cool though, right? Welcome in, new viewer. My brain's a little bit fried, but making some incredible content still. Don't you worry. Look at all these boats. We're underneath them. Cast fit. Why is it going crazy like that? It shouldn't be checking that unless... Is it checking it each time a cannonball hits? That wouldn't make any sense, right? Because it's just supposed to be the... I don't know. Make sure you say hi. Get acquainted. New person. New person. Epic Gamer 3257 is the best at gaming, so you've got some competition, whoever you are. This is... Okay, how do I make this actually successfully cast? Again, we're gonna resolve... What am I looking for? We're going to go to the internet. I don't know what I was gonna try to say. How to cast to object in world UE5. Freaking whatever. When casting, I don't know what to do. What to put on the object is no idea. Okay. When we cast... Okay. The object pin is the one you want to make a cast on. If you want to cast your character to the bullet class, then you need to pin the self variable. Good lord. They seem more lost than I do. How to cast to actor in level UE5. Use get all actors. No. I'm casting my part in actor, but what should I connect to the object to cast node? Perhaps you could expand on this. Get actor of class could work. Yeah, maybe I do that. What's up, dude? Welcome in. Event. Oh, that's interesting. Buoyancy has its own. Welcome in, though. We got an Anthony Smith in the chat. What are you up to? I feel like I saw your name earlier when I was looking at recent subscribers, actually. I think... What a cool freaking message, dude. Look at this. You're right there. Anthony Smith. Not found. My bad. But, dude, he says, this will be a success for sure. Let me know how to support. I want me name in some credits, lol. I appreciate that comment. That is such a cool comment. Well, just keep showing up to the live streams and stuff, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, like, thanks. Yeah, all of this art was made by yours truly. Went to school for 3D animation and graphics, and then they taught us more about film than games, and I wanted to do games, so I started learning how to do game stuff on my own. And now I am teaching high schoolers animation and game design courses. So I'm in a weird little bubble where I have more time to work on this kind of stuff than most people would. But yeah, everything here is sort of handmade from the models to the textures to the music. Very passionate. Let's see. I totally forgot I was doing that. Find a game will be a success. Remember me when you're famous, you'll see. You know what? I will. If I ever get to that point, I will totally remember Epic Gamer 3257 and Anthony Smith. You'll go down in history. It's one of those things where like, I would love to like do a Patreon and stuff like that, but I don't think I'm nearly at the like the I don't know channel size to do something like that. But in the future, there will be much more direct ways people could support the channel. That's for sure. I just don't feel comfortable trying to ask people for like money or something when like, I don't know. I think I'm fortunate enough that people are watching right now. I think that's awesome. Especially when I've been like bumbling around on this code for 10 minutes and I have no idea what I'm doing. GoFundMe? Is that a thing people do for games? I know there's Kickstarter is a big one. But again, Kickstarter is like, you gotta have some like publicity first to get people to even look at that. I don't know. I guess I don't know the order of operations. You know, I sort of figured get the YouTube big enough to where I introduce like maybe tipping is enabled into the streams, or maybe like you can sub or do memberships on YouTube or whatever, and then I unroll like the Patreon or whatever and the Kickstarter and whatever, just slowly ramp it up until finally we're actually selling games, right? That would be the absolute dream, and then all of that sort of culminates into being able to do this full time and make way more stuff way more faster. But we'll see. Other actor. Get actor. Why is it not letting me do this? I don't know. Do small like channels do GoFundMes? Is that a thing? I'm like literally just, I don't know. Welcome in, another viewer. We're killing it. You've been getting some great, actually amazing engagement in here today. It's awesome. You guys are keeping me very entertained. Let's see. Yeah. I just don't know if it would be successful, you know? But I guess there's no hurt in doing it, right? I guess I just don't want to, like... I don't want to ask for money when I can't, like, provide something in return yet. If that makes sense. It just feels weird for me. But also, maybe that's the whole point, is that I gotta get successful and I need money to be able to do it longer. So I don't know. I'm talking quiet and I'm mumbling. I'm all weird now. I have been struggling with... Okay. Cast to ocean floor. Screw it. I don't know, dude. It saves it as ocean floor. I don't need that. I just want to actually get... The cast is failing every single time, so I need to figure out what that's about. So this does exist. Generate overlap events. That's kind of interesting. Overlap events? Begins, end. Begin overlap. Yes? That feels like it's important, doesn't it? Sounds like it's literally the exact thing I'm trying to do. Default update overlaps. You can send me a short. I'd be happy to post my... Oh, yeah? I just worry about, like, the... If it's on your stuff, I don't know if people would come to my stuff from that. You know what I mean? If you want to join the like Discord though, we could maybe DM and talk about that a little bit if you're serious about that. Let's see. The silence is deafening. I keep forgetting that I don't have music and I'm just like sitting in silence. It's freaking me out a little bit. Ocean floor. Okay, I just did that thing. Let's try that again. Cast failed. Okay. Oh, that's massive, dude. Yeah, I would love to talk to you about that. That sounds like a good opportunity. Yeah, if you want to like join the Discord server and just DM me or something, that would be awesome. Yeah, seriously. I literally just started posting on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and like the YouTube Short did so well. Like, and I know they get more views than other stuff on here. I like that's sort of their whole thing, right? But like, if we go to my content, like my biggest video ever was this one, 1.45 thousand views, and then I post one short, and this I posted it yesterday, and it's 2.5k views. It's just like crazy how effective that is. And then literally, I can check the analytics. 87 likes is awesome. And it shows me if I go on here, and I go to analytics, 9 subs, which again, I'm a small channel, but that's so much from one little video I made. So I don't know. I'm freaking excited about that. That right there should be the Discord server if it lets me. Yeah, it will. Cool. It's kind of dead right now. I really just use it to post. Oh, that's a weirdly specific name. Literally named I'll Help You. What a weirdly like strange. Okay. Why do I not know how to cast to this dumb thing properly? Casting to actor in level for event begin overlap UE5. This is... Why is there nothing in here? Components on both this and the other actor must have generate overlap events is set to true. Oh, okay. It's like, what a weirdly specific name for like the guy that literally is like offering to promote stuff for me or something. It's just freaking crazy. Funny. What am I doing? Boat parent. Boat. Overlap. Generate overlap. Yep. So they do both generate overlap whatevers now. Overlap. Oh, maybe I needed that. Compile, save. Let's try that guy. Cast failed still. Save all. Let's see. Ocean floor. Overlap. Oh yeah? That's cool. I never got into anything like that, but I have a brother that's super into the more like crazy strategy grindy games. I think he played a little bit of it though, and it was even too much for him. So I think that sort of speaks to RuneScape. God, I just don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Tries to access an object. Object as a blueprint class, ocean floor. Maybe an instance of. Okay. Could be expensive. I cannot believe I'm having such a hard time with this simple thing here. Uh, I don't want to like watch a video. I don't think that would be ethical to watch a random person's video on stream. People do that all the time, but still. Whatever. Investing time into something big. I only play one game. Oh, that's fair. Yeah. I was pretty sunk into Baldur's Gate for a long time, and I haven't even finished it though. I have a bad habit of that. I am too, dude. Okay. On component big. Maybe I'm doing this entire thing wrong. Oh my god. They just did it the other way around. Does that make sense? No, because I need it to be all... Let's try that, though. We'll go ocean floor. We'll go event graph. Actor, begin overlap. We'll do 2... boat pawn parent. Print string. Print string. Cast failed. It's gonna say friggin' fail and win. Okay. Boom. 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 Fail immediately right there. Just said it once though. Win. There's a win in a fail. Weird that it's... Okay, hold on. I feel like that's a good sign though. I saw wins. Friggin' whatever. As... I also need to figure out what the collision looks like for this stupid plane. Should be good though, because it's just a plane. Okay. I might take like a I can feel myself. My energy is just like down the drain right now. I might test this out and then take like a 5-minute break or something. Oh, here's something I can literally just friggin' screw this guy. Win. Oh, it's gonna crash. It's gonna crash. Oh god. It did activate Slimmo though, so I think it did just kill that guy when he hit the bottom. I'm gonna leave my PC idle since I have no idea what's happening. I think you're trying to link the shot at. Yeah, see, that tells me I'm not telling you. Oh, it crashed. I'm trying to get it so that when ships hit the ocean floor, they die. Because I have it going over and over that when ships are hitting the floor right now, they are just sitting there and fighting other ships still. And that's not very effective. You should not have to go shoot ships that are underwater to win the game. So I'm just making it, if you hit the bottom of the ocean, you just die. I also think that's pretty generous because you can still sink and be halfway submerged or even fully submerged, but as long as you don't hit the bottom, you're not going to die. But, yeah. Also, I don't think the sub goal is very accurate because I don't know. I think it's just based on if people subbed through the stream. And I had a couple people sub from other methods or whatever you want to call it. I need to see quickly, though, how much progress just disappeared down the drain because that crashed. But I did save it, right? Oh, there you go. Dunzo. Here's what we'll do. We will make a be right back screen for the stream I think that's a great use of our time. And we'll put a different song in too. We'll put the like super peaceful one in. Starting soon screen. What happens if you close your land? So right now it's based on like velocity actually. So if you really gently touch land, you're not gonna hurt. But if you like slam into an island, it will do impact. I don't know if we got rid of that. Yeah, I know. I have music on, so the starting soon screen here has some music, and then this is gonna have